Going on YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? What's going on? The last video we tried playing, it literally didn't work. Well, it worked, but like, you couldn't hear me, and she sounded talking to herself.
Uh-huh.
So yeah,
Zuzud and Rihanna.
here.
Yup. And today we're playing Detroit
And
Become
Heavy
Human.
Rain.
And I don't know where we left off on, but
We were
We have-
halfway. So.
yeah, like almost halfway. Was I even recording during that part?
Let me walk. This is worse graphics than Sims.
Oh,
Oh,
my
okay.
goodness.
You know what? Yeah. Whatever. Okay, let's just restart. Okay, guys, welcome back. We're playing Heavy Rain.
And this time he's not floating or levitating off of the bed.
What was he doing?
Why do we need like 10 angles of him? Like just sleeping.
I don't know.
This is like, is this fan service or something? Like
No, it's not. He's actually so botched. Get up.
Hello? Okay, get up.
Oh, this is way smoother. Okay.
Oh my god, he's so ugly. Why is his
Ew.
face so greasy? Does he not
What
wash
is
his face?
So on.
Huh?
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
What is this
Yeah,
voice?
okay.
Yeah, like you shower. Okay, hold on. I don't like the controls. Is this your wife? 2 kids? They divorced?
Gone shopping. I'll pick
I
the
can't
kids up
even
from
read
school
that.
at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's
Jason
birthday.
Dawn!
Don't work too hard. and let go.
Grace Vanderwall.
Oh, okay, he's not divorced. Please put some clothes on. Why am I getting brushed? Like, okay, what is this gameplay? Heck, I actually have to jiggle the controller. What is this? Why am I getting every angle possible of his cheeks? Oh my god, I don't care! What is the plot? What's the plot? What? Bro! Why am I getting looks maxing simulator?
You have to do it slowly.
What is this?
You have to do it slow.
Hey!
Slow. Trash. Oh
Why am I playing Man Simulator?
my god. The way you're doing it.
Why am I getting a shaving montage of Oh, now we're going up.
Oh my god, just end it already. Can he like
Can he shower already?
I know, go take a shower.
You do not look fresh.
This is
Get the stash, please.
This is his
I don't
first shower
want to
of
see
the
this
month.
moment. Like, I don't want to see this.
Take a shower.
What kind of shower is this? Dude, I don't want to see this!
Why do we need that angle of his cheeks? Like, I'm just trying to show him.
Skip it.
Why did the shower take like 10 seconds?
Woody, get out! Like, actually. I don't know. What is this game? Get out, Woody. Get out. Woody has dude. Get out. Okay, you know what? Whatever.
Is
What
he
is this
watching?
game? What do you have me playing?
Dude, why are we like literally doing everything for him? We do not need to be seeing this.
Dude, this could have been like one cutscene.
I know.
Hello? Wait. Dude,
Okay.
where are your clothes at?
Go get dressed. Oh, L1 to switch camera angles.
I'm not walking over there.
Why is he looking so zesty?
I don't know. There's no wife and kids, by the way.
POV, like male English teachers.
Dude, that outfit does not flatter him whatsoever.
I know.
Okay.
Oh yeah, because this is
relevant to the plot.
this is
How
so
is this relevant
this
to the
is so necessary to the plot. This is so necessary to the plot. Put
Again?
it down. Put it down.
Please. Put it down.
Just go downstairs.
Oh, do I work from home?
Yeah. No, your desk is right there. Oh my god.
Dude, somebody's getting shot up. Do you not hear that?
No,
What?
I don't hear jack squat.
You-
I know. While his wife is a neurosurgeon.
Is she actually?
I don't know.
Okay, put this down. I don't want to play anymore. Dude, I see like 3 pixels. Like, I don't think you understand how laggy this is.
Check your Wi-Fi. Oh,
Okay,
dude,
I don't even care.
Just go to work.
How do I work?
Your office is right there. You missed. Did you go to work already? I don't remember. Go to the living room. 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 Yes. Keep going forward. Yes. Okay. Now keep going.
What kind of living room is this?
No.
You said
Yeah.
living room.
Keep going. Yeah. Keep. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Is
go
this
back.
a PS5?
Go right. Oh my god. You're the biggest rage baiter of all time.
During this heat, dude, this is not the heat.
Oh my god, stop going that. Okay. Yeah,
What
just
is
never go to
work?
just never go to work.
This is not work.
No.
You're L.
You're so
What kind of game is this?
Hey, take it easy.
I thought you had 2 daughters.
So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan.
Yo, help your wife.
I'm coming.
What? What wife?
Never mind.
What?
I'll do it.
Sorry, I just wasn't thinking.
Clearly.
Oh my god, you're the most useless husband ever.
She
Look
couldn't,
at
like, what? She couldn't lift, like, two steps?
a 1 to 12 shift at
Okay.
Her neurosurgeon.
Where's work?
Not really.
She's
I
on the clock
tried,
actually all day.
but I didn't
What do
really
you mean
know.
trying to work? Do you know what you did?
Because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the client next month.
What are you talking about?
Ugh, I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
No problem. Leave
Hold
it to
up,
me.
I have to pee. Talk to the viewers while I'm gone.
I've been doing.
That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug.
Dude, I'm like yanking my controller to the right.
That's the set my mother gave us.
What does she have me playing?
Okay?
Don't worry. I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
What is this attitude? Be nice to your wife.
Hey, Ethan, you said you were gonna be careful.
I'm sorry. I'll be
What
more
is he doing? He's just putting it down. What are you talking about? You need to be reasonable.
Ethan!
I know.
What is
I
your
know. I'm
problem?
being careful.
This guy is clueless. It's plates.
Ethan?
Where is
I
it gonna
know,
fall
I
on the
know.
table?
I'm being careful.
What are you doing wrong? You fast. This is just like the shit. It's not even censored. What? Okay. Is that all the plates you're gonna? Dude!
I don't know if I've already told you
Ethan.
this today, Mrs. Mars, but I find you very attractive.
You're not so bad yourself, Mr. Mars.
I wouldn't count. Ugh. Touching each other. Dude. Okay. Why don't you? I thought you have a lot to work on.
But now
Exactly. Dude, this guy is such a bonehead. Oh my god.
Focus on this party. We'll continue this little conversation later.
Presents. Present.
Did you find the present for Jason?
Yeah, I picked it up from the store this morning. Oh, we were lucky. It was the last one in stock.
I like how it's
Jason
circling
looks
around.
happy.
Yeah, it's hard to believe.
What is this game? Where's the heavy rain?
What the hell are you doing? Like, you haven't done jack
I don't know.
squat since I've been gone.
Dude, I don't even.
Oh, go play with the kids outside.
They're outside. I mean,
Just go-
outside.
Go play with them. Okay, so I don't even
No,
know.
we checked the chapters. Connor, what are you doing?
Coming, Lieutenant. Go.
Oh,
Stupid.
I forgot the settings.
So Connor's just mogging like always.
Number 5 in the third. Lickety split.
Scan him.
It's 100% guaranteed.
Right.
Oh,
I'm not
wait.
eating.
Badar Pedro. Criminal record, illegal gambling, and fraud.
Wait, born in 2005? Dude, this
Yeah.
guy's like 20 right now.
Did you get the loan?
Androids?
What is your problem?
No, because
Don't
they
you ever
wash
do as you're
dishes.
told? Look, you don't have to follow me around like a pig.
Yeah, strong positive correlation.
No, like they do chores and stuff. Review
Apologize.
files.
No!
I thought now
Apologize!
might be a good time to review what we know about deviants.
No, now is not a good time to review anything.
Oh.
Now is my lunch break.
I didn't know
just
it was your
go
lunch
in and
break.
Stand by and cut me some slack, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Hamburger.
This looks trash.
See?
Just rub it in my face, will you? What is he looking at? Cholesterol. Enjoy your
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
What was that?
This Pedro, he was proposing this morning when we were chasing those deviants. Why
Stop
didn't
talking
you want
about
me to cross the highway?
deviants.
Because you could have been killed. And I don't like filling out paperwork for damaged equipment.
Let's talk about deviants.
Maybe I should tell you what we know about deviants.
You read my mind. Proceed.
We believe that a mutation occurs in the software of some androids, which can lead to them emulating a human emotion.
In English, please.
They don't really feel emotions. They just get overwhelmed by irrational instructions, which can lead to unpredictable behavior.
Emotions
Okay.
screw everything up.
Okay.
Androids aren't as different from us as we thought.
About Connor, maybe.
Is there anything you'd like to know about me?
Hell no. Well, yeah. Why do they make you look so goofy and give you that weird voice?
Cyberlife androids are designed to work harmoniously with humans. Both my appearance.
Why
and
is he
voice
saying that?
are
He's
specifically
obviously
designed to
mogging.
facilitate my
I
integration.
know.
Well, they fucked up.
Can I ask
What
you a
is his
personal
problem?
question, Lieutenant? Why do you hate androids so much?
Because androids killed my grandma.
Because androids killed my grandma, okay? Wait, Ryan Gosling.
Months back,
They use the same screen for every kid.
jump off the roof with a little
I
girl.
know. And the
I
same
managed to
face.
save her.
I know.
So I guess you've done all your homework, right? Know everything there is to know about me?
True.
Why?
I'm focused on the case.
Why? You
Why?
I hate you. I literally hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
I did not say that.
I literally told you to be truthful to him. You know what? Let's restart this whole chapter at this point.
Oh,
I'm just
I don't
kidding.
even care. I don't even care.
You have to stop making him hate you.
Suspected deviant.
I'm so.
It's a few blocks away.
You can do whatever you want with the other androids. I don't care, but you have to be nice to him. That is my rule for share playing. Okay? Why is he hood irony walking?
Hey, Connor. You ran out of batteries or what?
I'm sorry. I was making a report to Cyberlife.
Well, do you plan on
Why are you
staying in the-
standing there? Why are you scared?
I'm coming.
Go. What is he? What are you shrugging at?
Anybody?
Wait, I
home?
thought this was an abandoned building.
No. Or is it?
Open up, Detroit police.
Oh, wait, it is.
What do you think?
Stay behind me.
Got it.
Got it.
Go!
I didn't know I was supposed to go. Why is he just like?
Look at him!
Why is he taking this time?
Check
Walking.
that room. Oh my goodness!
Fuck is this?
Go faster!
Jesus, this place stinks.
What the heck is going
Looks like we came for nothing.
The classic open the.
Check
I'm not
everything!
going
Check everything!
for. That's what I'm doing. What's in there?
Suspect doesn't
Oh.
eat, so it's a deviant.
Yeah, it's definitely a clink. Why would I? No, why does he have to sample everything? Ew! This is who we like. Wait, Marcus was here. Wait, no, he wasn't.
What do you
Wait,
think
who
this
is
is
it?
Marcus?
For chase
Run! You're so trash, X!
Oh my god, go. Go. Go! You have 20 seconds to choose! Go!
Fast but risky. Balanced.
Oh, where the hell are you going?
I don't know!
You're so trash.
No, I'm not! Safer.
Oh my god, just bumping into everything.
No!
You're so bad. Go right. Oh my god! You're so bad. Where are you going? The other way.
Oh.
The other way. You're like the worst. Oh my god.
No, I'm not!
Go.
Holy shit.
How did you catch up? Why are you
Go.
doing that?
Go.
Wait, where do I go?
Save Hank! Save him!
Hank!
Save Hank! Yes!
Oh, shit! We had it. Fuck.
It's my fault. I should have.
It's my
Ain't no your
fault. Not your fault.
You'd have caught it if it weren't.
Yes, Hank
Yes,
is
we're
alive!
fine.
Yay!
That's all right.
Dude, robots don't have an afterlife. What are you talking about?
Well, I'm about to find out. What's your name?
Marcus.
Let me talk to you. Whatever. Look at this guy. Like, actually pissing me off. You're like begging to be spoken.
What was your function before coming here?
What do you care?
What? Okay, you were probably one of those like robots that were at the.
If you came here for comfort, you came to the wrong place.
What is your problem? I like Marcus more than her. Like, actually. What is your problem? I know, round two. Whatever. Okay.
Are you Lucy?
Sit down.
Why are you giving it to him? Why don't you give it to the others? What? You know, he looks like he's in good shape compared to them. Yeah, look at you! Like, why are you giving that to him? What? Okay.
Okay, who's this? This is Clara.
Yes.
Yes, my goat. Alice is still neutral with us. My goodness.
Bro, why is she neutral? You know what I did? Okay.
That like connected with her arm or something like that. Like he took her arm and was like, go to this place.
No, that was Marcus.
No, it wasn't. Who is this?
Who's asking?
I was told you could help us.
Who told you?
I don't know who told you that. You came to the wrong place. I'm sorry.
Wait. We really need your help.
Come in.
Yo, this is literally Granny's house. Why are they like look at the outside. It literally looks like Hello Neighbor.
Come on in. Don't be shy.
Look at how she walks. Look at how
Luther,
Carl walks. Like her little
Take these
arms.
ladies' coats.
Yeah.
She's so cute.
Oh, don't be afraid of.
Yeah, I was just be scared of a.
I'm scared.
No.
Like, how are they so trusting of these people? Why are you looking at the
Okay,
book?
like-
Stop!
Because
looking at
I
the
don't know. I
books.
thought it was like something. Like, what is she
Moving track
looking at?
What is she looking at?
So I opted for this.
Bro, this cannot
If you
be
could just
good.
Stand over there.
No. Move! I want to see the computer.
Why are you looking at the computer? Quit looking at the computer.
Move! I want to see the computer.
Stop looking at the computer. He's asking
But I
you to
want to
stand up.
see it.
You can't see it. He's gonna.
What is his
No.
problem? Move! Thank you. Oh my god!
Just go stand.
Move your track.
Oh
Like-
my god, he's a bad person?
Yeah,
Duh.
believe what they want.
Hello? Like, did you not get it from the first time we saw the front of the house? I don't.
No.
That's not even. It's like the house doesn't even look welcoming. He doesn't even look trusting.
I didn't know that. Like, that's no correlation.
Or I keep.
Green!
I ain't green enough. Yes. Yes. Yes, you're so smart.
I know.
Okay, don't get your ego too high.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, stop going downstairs!
I'm not doing that.
No, don't go in there because you just went in there. You're so stupid.
What the heck?
You just get Cora killed. Just get Alice killed. Yeah, go ahead. Do whatever you want.
I don't know.
My god, you're actually so trash. It's pissing me off.
What are you even talking about?
Just oh my god, you went in there. Do you have memory loss? Do you have memory loss?
It's the same.
It's not because you keep going to the same room. Go
No,
down the
I'm
hall
not.
where Luther is. My god, it took you long enough.
So, thank you for the hints. What is your problem? Shut up, Alice. You're gonna get us caught.
Remember me. How could I forget you? I'm so sorry. You were right. We never should have come here.
How does a child have more logic than
Follow me
you?
and don't make any noise, okay?
And you're an android, so you should know better. I'm sorry, Kara, but
know.
this is the biggest L you've taken.
And like, why did he like dumb woman down? Like, this is pissing me.
I know.
Luther.
Hey, check.
Yes.
Okay, go. Sneak. Okay, is there another door, like, can go through? Go through there, right there. Go to the corridor. Just go. Okay, then go down the stairs. Run to the stairs. Circle. Oh my god. Yeah, you're so stupid. You're so freaking stupid.
I didn't see the circle! Smash! How did I do that?
Circle.
There's no point in running. You can't escape from me.
How does he not see me? Oh!
Oh my god.
They're over there.
He's just walking.
Bro, is that all Alice does? She's like, eh.
I know.
Okay, go to the right. On the right. Right. Not the entrance.
Right!
I warned you. Dreams always end in tears.
Why don't you just run?
Listen to me.
I know!
Pissing me off. And
Lieutenant Anderson! Anybody home?
what kind of doorbell noise is that?
I know.
Lieutenant Anderson!
Get in.
Easy, Sumo. I'm your friend.
Oh, so he's scared of sumo, but he can jump on top of trains.
Lieutenant.
Wake him up!
I can't!
Wake up, Lieutenant.
Rico.
It's Connor. I'm going to sober you up for your own safety.
Hey!
I'll have to warn you.
Leave me
This may be
alone,
unpleasant.
fucking android. Get the fuck out of my house.
I'm sorry, Lieutenant, but I need you. Thank you in advance for your cooperation.
Get the fuck out of here.
Done.
Oh, really?
I don't want a bath. Thank you.
Sorry, Lieutenant. It's for your own good.
Ah! Ah! Turn it off! Turn it off! What the fuck are you doing here?
A homicide was reported 43 minutes ago. I couldn't find you at Jimmy's bar, so I came to see if you were at home.
Jesus, I must be the only cop in the world that gets assaulted in his own house by his own fucking android. Can't you just leave me alone?
You seem to have personal issues.
Why would you
should
say?
consult a professional who can
Why
help you.
would you say?
Get the hell out of here!
It's easy.
I understand. It probably
Rage
wasn't
baiting.
interesting anyway. A man found dead in a
Ask
sex
Mom.
club downtown.
Ask anybody else.
Guess they'll have to solve the case without us.
Oh my god, it is.
You know, probably wouldn't
Dad.
do me any harm to...
My god. See, now Sumo's all sad because you didn't pet him.